Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Drip. Drip CRM is one of the most highly rated sales CRMs around for businesses of all sizes, as it provides you with numerous tools that will enhance your business. For example, you'll be able to set up different sales pipeline. You can also do email marketing, and also you'll be able to collaborate and keep all your team members on board using one tool. To get started, all you'll need to do is go onto drip.com. Once on drip.com, you can go over to the top right hand corner, and from here you can choose to either sign up using your Shopify store if you have Shopify, or you can tap on try Drip for free. And by the way, in the future, if you like the Drip platform, you can see the different prices right here. If I were to tap on pricing, on average it starts off at $39 per month. It all depends, the price can increase. And you can also integrate other platforms using Drip. So for example, if you are not on Shopify and instead you're using WooCommerce, you can simply select WooCommerce right here. Or if you're using BigCommerce, you can do that. Or if you have another platform that you're using, another website, you can simply tap on that. And if you don't have a website at the moment, so you can tap on I don't have an online store, you could simply select that right there. Another thing that we'll be doing, let's fill in the company name real quick right here to complete the sign up process. So I'm going to be doing that real quick. And I'm going to be connecting it to my Shopify store. So I'll simply go back into Shopify, and I'm going to tap right where you see online store, as I want to copy the URL. So I'll copy this URL, then I'm going to go back right there, and I'm going to paste it here. Then you'll see how many contacts do you have. I'll select under 5K, then scroll down, tap on continue. Once you have tapped on continue, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can add your default name, and then you'll add your street address, as you can see right here. So let me do this real quick and then we'll continue. Okay, once you're finished signing up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, you can go over to the left hand menu option, and from here you could tap on people. After you have tapped on people, if you would like to import your contacts, you can do that. So for example, you can simply scroll down, and right where you see bulk operations, you could tap on bulk operations. Once you have tapped on bulk operations, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. On this dashboard, all you'll need to do now, you could tap on create new bulk operation. Then from there, you could tap on upload list of people, and you'll be able to import your contact list. If you would like to enter a list of emails, you can simply tap on begin right there. And that's how you'll be able to import your contacts if you already have some saved contacts. For example, if you are using another email provider, you can simply import your contact list right here. You can also tap on create in the top left hand corner, and from there again you'll see the option to import list of people right there. And you can also use create in the top left hand corner to create new workflow. By tapping on workflow, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. Once on this dashboard, you'll have access to numerous templates that you can choose from. All you'll need to do is scroll down, and then you can see the different workflow templates. You can tap right where you see filter by platform. So let's say, for example, I want to use Shopify. As remember, I signed up using my Shopify store. So I'm going to select Shopify, then tap on filter by category, and then I will tap on get started, just for example's sake. And then I'll scroll down, and you can see the different workflows right there. So you have the welcome series, excuse me, you have the post first sale, and you also have the abandoned cart option. So let's say, for example, I were to use this one. All I would need to do is tap on it, Then you can see an example of the workflow right there. So checkout created via Shopify. Then wait 1 hour. After they have waited 1 hour, they will send abandoned cart number 1 with instructions. Then it is going to wait 24 hours more, and then it will send a next abandoned cart number 2 right there, as you can see. And by the way, if you'd want to make any changes, all you'll need to do is simply tap on install template. Once the template has been installed, I will show you what to do next. You can see that it is loading the workflow editor. So you can see it right here. So let's say, for example, if I still haven't converted that potential customer into a real customer, all I would need to do now, so you can see right there, as I was explaining earlier. So once they go and they visit the checkout page, but they don't complete a purchase, they will be caught in this workflow automation. And by scrolling down, instead of exiting right here, I'm going to simply tap on the plus. Then after tapping on the plus, we will tap right where you see action. You can tap right there. After you have tapped on action, you will see what action should we perform, and you can choose action. So you can see right there, choose action. We are going to scroll down, move a person from one email series to another. And you can see remove a person from an email series. You have numerous options, but we'll be selecting send an email to a person. Then from there, you could scroll down and you can tap on Visual Builder. After you have tapped on Visual Builder, you could type out the email that you would like to send right here. So you could edit the email, and then you'll tap on Update Action. And that's how you'll be able to add even more to your workflow. Again, all you have to do is simply tap on the plus. When you have tapped on the plus, from there, if you would like to add a delay, you can do that. If you would like to add a specific goal, you can do that. Or if you would like to force the customer or potential customer to make a decision, you can do that right there. And that's basically it when it comes on to setting up a workflow. So let us go back to the main dashboard. Once on the main dashboard again, what I want you to do, right where you see single email campaign, you could tap right there. You could tap on single email campaign, as I will be showing you how to use this. Once the campaign has loaded up, as you can see, it is loading right here. I'll be showing you how to create a single email campaign. The first thing you want to do is simply scroll down. Then you can see email design right here. All we'll need to do is choose one of the pre-made templates. So you can scroll down and you can see the different templates right here. And I'm going to be selecting this template, which is an abandoned cart template once more. So I'm going to tap on use this template. Once you have tapped on use this template, you can scroll down and you can see how it looks. So your logo will be placed there. Your cart is going to go there, and you can see return to cart right there. Once you have done that and everything is to your liking, you can also preview it on tablet, phone. So you can choose which one of these platforms you would like to preview it on. If you would like to send a test email, you can tap on send test. Once you have done that, you can tap on sending to, and you'll tap on the plus. Then from there, you could tap on create a one-time use segment, and you could enter in the contact or contacts email address right there. And once you have done that, you'll be able to send the email to them. Another thing that you can also do, if we were to go back to the main dashboard, so let's tap on dashboard real quick in the top left hand corner. You can also automate workflow, as I was showing you earlier, or you can create on-site campaign. So let's tap on on-site campaign right there. From here, you could create your first campaign. As you can see right here, here's an example. So you can see an example right here if you'd like to use this template and create a spin wheel. So from here, you'll be able to get more emails so that you can target more customers or potential customers. To get this, all you'll need to do is simply tap on it. Once you have tapped on get this template, you will be redirected to a new page, as you can see right here. So on this new page, we'll be able to create our first email campaign. So you can see this is the drip builder. Once it loads up, I will be showing you what to do next. You can see choose campaign position. So let's do that real quick. We are going to tap on select template in the top left hand corner. Right beside where you see general, I tap on select template. After you have done that, you can see you can create pop-ups. So if you like to create a pop-up, you'll tap on pop-ups. Then you can see the different pop-up templates. If you would like to create a form, you could tap on form. If it is a case that you want to create an announcement bar, you could tap on bars. You can also create gamifications, as you can see right there. So if you like to create a spin the wheel option or so on, you can do that. All we'll need to do, once you have found one that you like, you can simply tap on it. Then in the bottom right hand corner, you're going to tap on continue. Once you have tapped on continue, you will be redirected to a new dashboard. On this new dashboard, you'll now be able to edit it and add any personal touches that you want. So you can see how it looks at the moment. If you would like to make any other changes, you can do that by simply going over to the left hand menu option. From there, you can tap on pop-up, or if you like it to be a slide in instead of pop-up, you can choose that right there, as you can see. Once you have chosen the option you want, all you'll have to do is tap on continue. Once you have tapped on continue, you will be redirected to this page. Once on this page, from here, you'll be able to make even more changes. So for example, if you like to change the font style, you can do that. If you like to change the font color, you can also do that. If you like to change the background color, you can do that. All you have to do is simply select the background, and from there you will see styling, and you can see background options. You'll simply scroll down. If you like to add a background image, you can add a background image real quick, but I would recommend that you leave it as is. The only thing that I would recommend you add, if anything, is tap on add elements in the top right hand corner. And from there, if you would like to add another button, you can do that. Or if you would like to require anything else from your customers, or you'd like to offer a coupon code, you could select coupon code and you could add a coupon code real quick. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on continue in the bottom right hand corner. And you can see how the finished page would look right there. You're going to tap on continue once more. After you have tapped on continue, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, you'll simply set up when the pop-up will appear. So that is what they mean by triggers right here. So you can scroll down and you'll see the option show after, and this will show. This basically means that the pop-up will show after the customer has been on the page for 8 seconds. If you would like it to pop up immediately, you could simply cut down the seconds to, for example, 1 second. Or if you would like it to pop up even later, you can do that. Or if you like it to pop up when the customer scrolls down on your page, you could toggle on scroll. And if you have visited other pages and sometime as you are about to tap on the X to close the page, you see a pop-up. That is basically exit intent. So if you would like that to be the case with your website, you could toggle it on right there. Or if you would like to use click trigger, you can do that, or manual, you can do that. Then all you'll need to do is tap on continue once more. Once you have tapped on continue, you will see your domain name right there, and you can choose the pages that you would like the pop-up to appear on. Whether you like it to appear on all pages or only specific pages, you can choose. Then you'll tap on continue, and from here you can choose whether you like the pop-up to appear for visitors from all countries or only specific countries. You can also choose sequences. So for example, you can show your pop-up to only customers who follow a specific page or clicked on a specific URL. Then you're going to simply tap on continue in the bottom right hand corner. Once you have tapped on continue, it is saving your changes right here. And from here, you can see map your campaign fields to people's profiles. And you can choose right there but we'll leave it as is. So I'm going to tap on save, and I'm going to tap on continue without mapping. Once you have tapped on continue without mapping, you can choose your campaign name, and you can see schedule your campaign to show during a specific period. So you can toggle it on, and you can select when you would like it to show. So for example, if you like it to show only for a specific amount of days, you can tap on add fixed period. If you would like it to be repeated, you can do that. And if you like even more options, you can tap on show more options. And from there, you can see enable event listener for URL changes. I'm going to tap on save in the bottom right hand corner. Once you have tapped on save, you will be redirected to the next page. As you can see right here, your campaign has been saved. You're going to tap on turn on. So let's do that real quick. Once it has been turned on, as you can see here, all we'll need to do now is go back into Shopify, and we should see our pop-up. So let's do that real quick. I'll go back into Shopify, go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on view your online store. Once I've tapped on view my online store, I should see the pop-up. Okay, once you're finished creating your email collector, or better yet the pop-up, what I want you to do is go over to the bottom left hand corner. As you may realize that once you go onto Shopify, you still don't see the pop-up. To view the pop-up, all you'll need to do is tap on settings in the bottom left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on integrations. After you have selected integrations, you're going to tap on e-commerce. Once you have selected e-commerce, you can select the platform that you're using. So for example, I'm using Shopify. So all I would need to do is simply select Shopify. Once you have selected Shopify, from there you could select your Shopify store name, and you're also going to install the app. Once you have installed the app, if I were to go onto my Shopify store right now, let's say I were to go onto the Shopify store now and refresh the page, you will realize that you do see the pop-up appear right here. And that's basically it. And with this platform, again, with Drip, you can see that you'll be able to track your analytics, your order history, the amount of products that you have added to your store, and numerous other stuff. It is a very good platform to add, and you can also integrate other apps if you want. So again, if I were to tap on settings in the bottom left hand corner, tap on integrations, you can select, for example, landing pages and forms. And from there, you can see other apps that you can add, for example, InstaPage. You can also add payment processors if you want. By tapping on payment processors, you can integrate PayPal or Stripe. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.